So this paper will be using a hard paper or cardboard paper. So this circle is a circle of 7 inches. The plate I'm using is 7 inches. When you take it across the plate, is 7 inches. So just roll it out. Then mark out from there. Mark out 1 inches, 1 inches, and 1 inches. 1 inches apart. Yeah. So you take it back to the previous one. Then mark 1 inches. So this is 1 inches. So just mark it. Then this is a circle of 3.5 inches. From the first 1 inch, mark it. Second 1 inch, mark it out. So yeah, we are done with it. Yes, we're done with it. So when you cut it out, you have something like this. This is how it will look like. You'll be needing two to each, one for the front and one for the back. Mind you, the back one you will trim it a little bit smaller so that it won't overlap, so that your work will be in place. Now we are done with the trimming, and this is what we are going to be working with. We are going to be wrapping it with our fabric. Whichever fabric you want to use is fine. Yeah, this is our fabric we are going to be using, and this Evo stick gum. So this is our pattern. Now we're going to be applying the glue to it. After applying the glue, you can place it on the pattern. So now I like working with I want to put my patterns in place. So I mark where I want to put my pattern so that when it come out, it will come out nice the way I want it. Yeah, as you can see now, I'm marking out the red part. Yeah, I'm placing it in a place where it will look nice at the end of the day. So that's it. So just watch carefully and see how I'm going to be doing it. It's easy and fast. So watch carefully and do it yourself. Yes. Yeah, so we are through with the wrapping. That's for the back, and this is the front. So we'll be attaching it together. We place the back and the front like this. So as you can see, the back is not overlapping the front, so your work will be very neat and nice. So here is a puncher, eyelet. This is eyelet. So place your neck pieces together and mark where you're going to be punching. Just punch it out and place your eyelet. Like I said before, if you don't have eyelet and puncher, you can use needle and thread to tack the 3 pieces together, and it will still be nice. Yeah, now we are done with the punching and the eyelets. This is how it comes out. Very nice and neat, very beautiful. Now we are going to be attaching it. So this is my old chain. I'm going to be detaching it. I'm going to detach it to attach my pieces together. Just like this. Just attach it, put it through the holes, and that's it. Do same to the other parts, and we're done with this part. Yeah, so now we are done with this part, and this is the outcome. So the next thing we are going to be doing right now is to attach the chain. Look at how beautiful it is. Very nice. So yeah, we are through with this video, and this is the outcome. It looks beautiful, neat and fine. And if there's any material I use in this video that you can't find around you, just let me know in the comment section, and I will tell you the alternative thing you can use instead of that, and it will still come out so beautiful, just like this. Thank you for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.